Assalamu alaikum, a very warm welcome back to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. We're here in Pakistan in a town called Mangla. We're at the water resort and we're going to be showing you how to make a chicken karahi. So we'll start off with a pan, like a karahi pan. Add 3 cups of water. This recipe is slightly different. Everybody has their own version of the dishes. This is our version. We have developed our own spices which will be soon available on the website. The Karahi Masala, Balti Brothers Karahi Masala. So we've got 3 cups of water, plain water. Now we've got 3 cups of water has been added. Then we'll add the ginger and garlic paste, 50 grams of ginger and garlic paste, so 25 grams of garlic crushed and 25 grams of ginger crushed. We'll add this into the water as well. Just give it a light stir so the ginger garlic spreads within the water. Now at the same time we'll add chicken. We've got 1.5 kg of chicken which is on the bone. Give it a nice stir so the water with the ginger and garlic infuses within the chicken. So we're going to boil it for about 10 minutes. I'll turn the heat on high. So we've added 1.5 kg of chicken to 3 cups of water, ginger and garlic paste, 25 kg ginger, 25 kg of garlic. As that's infusing within the water, so all the flavors will be absorbed by the chicken, and after roughly 10 minutes on full heat, the chicken will be almost 60 to 70% cooked. Then we'll use another pan where we're going to fry the tomatoes and green chilies in the oil and add the spices. So now at this stage we'll add the 60 grams of Balti Brothers Karahi Masala in the same water where the chicken's boiling. Give it a nice stir, so mix the spice within the water. So what we're doing here now, while it's boiling, it's on full heat. We're going to let the chicken boil until there's 1 cup of water left. Once there's 1 cup of water left, then we remove the chicken and we go on to the second process where we'll add the tomatoes and the green chilies and some salt and some other spices. As you can see, the scenery behind us, nice water, mountains, greenery. As the time is, sun is ready to set, we've got beautiful wind coming, nice temperature, is not as hot as what it was earlier on. So hope you all can enjoy the scenery around us. The cameraman will be showing the scenery. It's really beautiful. I'm extremely grateful for having this opportunity to share a recipe while being here. Hope you all enjoy. Just stir the chicken as well. We don't want the chicken to be squashed all in once, so if you keep moving it, so then it's slightly free as well, and it's you can stir it well. It is a different location. It's nice to be out in the open. As always, we've cooked in the kitchen, so it is really nice. Hope you've all been well. Everybody's in good health. May you prosper always. So as you can see, the stock from the chicken is being absorbed into the water as well, so all this will add the flavor to the dish. And also, may I request, we do try to share knowledge where we inspire the cooks within you. If you are enjoying and you do find the channel beneficial, please do subscribe and like. Your support and encouragement is always appreciated. Help us spread the word so we can grow the channel and we can expand the recipes so we can share more dishes with you. Greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. And I stir again, and can you see the stock on the side? If you can clean this, all this is flavor. What we need this flavor. So all this on the side, if you can clean it, this is stock, all flavor. What we'll need is just going to add more flavor to the dish. So we will enjoy, and hopefully you will enjoy when you cook the dish as well. As you can see, now the water, we've almost got 1 cup of water left, so we'll take the pan off the heat and we'll use the second pan, and then we'll show you the second step. It will be easier at home, or when you've got more than 2 or 3 burners, you can do this at the same time, but because we're cooking outdoors, we've just got a small stove, so we just have to compromise and be grateful for what we have. And there we are, that comes off, that goes here. Now the second pan goes on. We'll start by adding 200 milliliters of vegetable oil. Also, this karahi is the first time I'm sharing this recipe with you. Many recipes have been handed down by the family, and especially by my mum, who's always shown us how to do the cooking, and her cooking is the best. All the family loves it. So my mentor, my true teacher is my mum, and so by her guidance I've discussed this recipe with her, and she's given me the thumbs up and the approval. So I hope we enjoy it. I know we will enjoy it, but I hope you will enjoy it as well. So as you can see, the oil is sizzling now, so we've got 7 tomatoes. The tomatoes are quite ripe, so 7 whole tomatoes diced. We'll add them to the oil now. And what we have to do with the tomatoes is we let them wilt till they're about half the water has been dried up. So the flame is medium to high at the moment. We're not going to go full flame at this moment. Just keep it medium to high, but occasionally keep stirring it. You don't want the oil to burn as well. Or salt to taste. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. If we need to add some more, we'll add it a bit later on as well. There we are. The salt we're using here, it's pink Himalayan salt. Comes from the salt mountain in Pakistan, in a place called Kivra. A nice mix. Because yesterday we made the Balti Brothers chicken korma recipe, which was in Rohtas Killa. That was a very nice place. We enjoyed it, and today we're in Mangla Water Resort. Approximately about 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat. The tomato should start being soft and about 50% cooked. Soften. Once it's softened, then we'll add the chicken inside. Now, as you can see, the tomatoes have softened, so we're just going to transfer the chicken from the first pan into this pan. So we'll just turn the heat on low so we don't burn ourselves. Safety first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There we are. The smell and aroma is delicious, beautiful. And again, with this dish, I would recommend naan breads, chapati. You can boil some rice, you can cook some rice as well if you wish. Now, as you can see, the chicken, what we boiled before in the first pan, we've transferred it into the pan with the tomatoes and the oil. So this is called the tadka stage now in Punjabi. So it's on the tadka stage where we're going to finish it off in this pan now. As I said earlier, at home you will have more than one burner, two burners, three burners. So you can do this at the same, by the time you're boiling the chicken, you can have the second pan ready with the oil, the tomatoes, etc. Then it'll save you time. While the chicken is being cooked, the tomatoes will wilt. I've got it on medium heat. We don't want it to be on full heat, it'll burn the dish otherwise. And if you can, after about 5 minutes, if you can turn the heat on low, let it simmer, cover it with a lid. I don't have a lid here at the moment, but if you could cover it with a lid, it'll be more better. It'll cook quicker. And also I've got 7 pieces of bullet chilies, which we'll add at this stage now as well. So it will be nice and spicy. It won't be overly spicy because all the spices have been added. As you can see, the spice we've developed for this recipe, we just added the Balti Brothers Karahi masala. That's all. You can add some then the salt to taste. If you want to add some more red chili powder, you can do to taste, but there should be no need for it. This will be sufficient for us. So I'm just going to turn the heat on low, and now at this stage you can let it cover the pot, let it simmer, and just put a pinch of coriander. We'll add more coriander later on, but just for some aroma. Coriander is very beneficial for our health as well. Also, may I take this opportunity to say my thanks to all my family, friends as well, who are here with me at this moment of time, the camera team, who have been very helpful. So thank you to everybody. The taste test. Now we'll taste, see how the dish is. So let's go for it. Absolutely delicious, more than my expectation. Thank God, it's all beautiful. We will definitely enjoy it, and I know so will you as well. As you can see, now it's all in the finishing stages. The oil has separated from the dish and the chilies have not wilted fully. This is how we want it to be done. Now with the tomatoes, if you want to peel the skin off, then you won't have any skin, but for me it's fine, it's beautiful as it is. Balti Brothers Chicken Karahi masala. Right now, dish is complete. Gas has been turned off. We transfer it into a serving dish, and then the outdoor we're getting the setting ready where we'll sit down and eat the dish. There's a few hours here, including the camera team, and I'll start plating as we speak. The chicken karahi is finally ready. It's been really great cooking outdoors. It's been a great experience. I hope you all have enjoyed us making the dish, and you will enjoy the recipe when you make yours with your loved ones. Greatly appreciate your kind comments, your subscribes. As always, thank you for the encouragement and the kind comments. Much love, much respect. Stay safe, keep blessed. First class recipes for first class viewers.